What's up, guys? Wow, the crypto market is completely collapsing. Crazy stuff. Check this out, guys. I'm sure you've seen. But yeah, look at this. Past day, we've gone from 20,600 down to, well, actually, we had a low at 16,800, which is a new low for this whole year. Actually, I think it's like a 2-year low. That's what it says right here. But yeah, down to 16,800. Had a bounce there, and now we're heading down again. Still heading down. Currently at 17,700. So crazy stuff. Just give me a sec here. Let me get this stream set up properly here. Yeah, crazy. But yeah, just sharing this real quick. Alrighty. Should be good to go. But yeah, crazy stuff going on. Crypto completely dying. What's up, D'Artagnan? Good to see ya. What's up, Crypto Baits? Crazy stuff. Alright, so look at this. I mean, I was sleeping during the intense part of this when we just crashed down from like 20,600 to 16,800 in a few hours. That was crazy. But yeah, we saw a big bounce, but now heading back lower. So not looking too good. Could be heading all the way down to like 13,000, what people have been calling for months. Maybe we will actually see that. Is the dump over? I don't think it's over yet, but who knows? Let's zoom out a bit so we can see. So on the daily, pretty bad. It's pretty sad because we broke out from these patterns here and it was looking good, but classic, just a fake out, looks like. So yeah, this breakout's totally invalidated. We broke down below our support at 19,000, so looking pretty bad right now. Looking like we could just continue dumping. Let's zoom out further. Go on the weekly. So yeah, weekly big red candle breaking through 19,000. So looking pretty bad. Now, possibly we could see this bounce back up, especially if we suddenly get some kind of good news. But yeah, we have 4 more days, well, like 4.5 days till this weekly candle closes. So maybe support, the 19,000 support will hold for the weekly, but yeah, if this weekly candle closes below 19,000, then next week we'll probably dump even further. So could be a multiple week dump here. All started by a tweet from CZ. Crazy stuff. So yeah, pretty classic fake out there. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I was saying maybe we saw the bottom back here, but I guess not. We've now hit a new low. And yeah, I definitely thought there was a possibility of one more big dump here before the year's over. So this dump, we may be dumping for a couple weeks. We may even get down to like 13,000, 12,000. But I think this will probably be the last dump. Yeah. What do you guys think? Bad in one sense, but amazing if going to acquire more cat, these lower prices. Yeah, totally. So actually, like, it feels bad, but this is actually pretty sweet because we get to buy we get to accumulate more at even cheaper prices. Pretty crazy. I mean, if Bitcoin dumps down to 13,000, that would be amazing because, whew, you could get a lot of crypto for extremely cheap. So I'm actually hoping that happens. Like, we've already come down so low, we might as well just hit rock bottom so we can really accumulate a lot, and then next bull market we'll make a ton of money. It needs to be the last dump. Geez, a while. Year and a bear and still dropping. Yeah, crazy. Been about, let's see, the top was the week of November 8th, and today is November 9th. Yeah, it's been about an entire year. So should be about near the bottom of this bear market. All the past bear markets have bottomed after about a year, so we should be close. What crypto will you buy? I will... Well, I'm not buying yet because I think good chance we could go lower. This dump may have just started, so I'm waiting right now. But yeah, I'll definitely buy some Bitcoin, maybe some Ethereum too. And then I may check out some other altcoins to buy too, but definitely Bitcoin and Ethereum. Is it the best time to go all in now? I would say not right now because this dump may have just started. We may have a lot more downside in the next week or two, so could go down all the way to 13,000. So like they say, don't try to catch a falling knife. It may bounce right back up, but probably more likely it's gonna head down a bit further, and you'll probably have plenty of time to accumulate. Like we're not going to just shoot up to like 30,000 in the next month or so. So you'll have time. But yeah, probably going to go lower. Hopefully it goes down to like 12,000. That'd be insane. We could buy some serious, a lot of crypto. That'd be sweet. But yeah, right now I'm just waiting to buy because probably going to go lower. Imagine that short wow to 13K. Yeah, that'd be pretty sweet. Were any of you guys shorting? I did not short any of this. Well, I mean, I was sleeping through. Let's zoom back in. So I pretty much slept through this. It was pretty crazy though. We see, okay, so FTT starts to dump, and we see Bitcoin dump right here, and then we hear Binance is buying FTX, and then we instantly see this pump, and everyone's like, yay, okay, they saved the market from crashing. But then right after that, boom, huge crash. So that was pretty weird. It was like a trap. But yeah, if you shorted this from 20,600 down to 16,800, that's pretty sweet if you got in on that. I did not. But yeah, we'll see if this heads lower. Looks like a good chance it will. Yeah, so let's see if we go in on... Yeah, so there's pretty much like this support line at 19,000 isn't like... There's more like a zone here from like 18,500 or so through 19,000. So yeah, it looks like we dumped down, came back up, tested this zone here, got rejected, and now we're just going to keep dumping lower. That's what it's looking like. So yeah, next few days might be pretty bad too. May just keep heading down. So yeah, going to be crazy. Let's look at Terra Luna Classic also dumped super hard during this market dump. Went all the way down from like 22 down to 13 or so. Crazy stuff. Did any of you guys buy at 13? I haven't bought any yet because, like I said, the market might keep dumping for the next few days or weeks even. So I'm still waiting. But yeah, it's like I said, the past few weeks, I wouldn't be surprised at all if we eventually come down to like 15 or so. And yeah, here we go. And then FTT over here, down 72%. Down 72% on the day. That's crazy. $4. It went from $25 to $4 in about one day. Well, actually, this is 7 days. So, yeah, I was at about $22 down to $4. Actually, the low was at like, the low was a little, this chart isn't quite right on CoinMarketCap, but the low was like $2.50. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. I don't know if you guys had any FTT. I did not. Luckily, I did not have any FTT. Did you guys buy any FTT on this dip? I bought a teeny bit of FTT at $4 just for fun. Probably just gonna go lower, but we'll see. It is possible that CZ may tweet, so something that may make crypto pump immediately. Yeah, that's possible. You never know. CZ has so much influence, one tweet can crash the market or pump the market, kind of like Elon Musk. So, yeah, he might, I don't know. One tweet could literally pump the market, but who knows? That could happen, or we could dump down to 12,000. So, who knows? Probably more likely we're going to keep dumping, though. I will wait. Yes, me too. Of course, I hope Bitcoin goes to 13K. Yeah, me too, because I'd love to buy Bitcoin at 13K. That'd be sweet. You know, if a Bitcoin's only $13,000, you can accumulate whole Bitcoins actually pretty easy, because that's pretty cheap. And then when Bitcoin goes to like 100,000 or eventually 1,000,000, you're going to be pretty rich. Maybe 6K. Haha, some say 6K. Oh, man. I doubt that. I would love it if Bitcoin went to 6K, but yeah, I don't think we're going to get that lucky. That'd be amazing. That would be sweet. You could, I mean, man, 6K, you could accumulate, you could buy a whole Bitcoin like nothing. Sell your car, buy a few Bitcoin. You know, save money for a few months, buy a whole Bitcoin. That'd be crazy. That'd be nuts, yeah. And then when Bitcoin next few years goes to a couple $100,000, sheesh, be some huge gains. Eventually goes to over $1 million. That's some easy money. Cause yeah, this bear market isn't gonna last forever. Right now, it looks like crypto's dead, pretty much. Kind of depressing, but it's not gonna last forever, and it's probably gonna turn around when nobody expects it and start heading back up. So, I mean, it's gonna be when everyone gives up on it and everyone's like, well, let's not even pay attention to crypto anymore. Screw crypto. I'm done. Once all the retail investors are like, I'm done with crypto, that's when it's probably going to turn around. Because, I mean, that's what they're doing. They're trying to get all the retail out, get us all sick of it, because they don't want us making all the money. They're not trying to help us out, so. But yeah, still dumping. Let's see. Let's zoom in further. 2 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, still heading down. 1 minute. Daily. Oh yeah, let's pull up the daily EMA ribbon, because I talked about this. This is sad because it just started to flip bullish, and then boom, we just broke right through it. So that was a little fake out flip there. It's pretty classic. I feel like Bitcoin almost does fake outs more than actually what it should do. Like the lower probability option tends to happen more, which is weird. I mean, it's probably manipulation. Like, people are looking at these indicators, and so the whales and the huge, big, rich entities out there, just, everyone's following the indicators, so they manipulate it to go the opposite direction. So we see stuff like this, fake outs. So yeah, I mean, it's getting to where like you almost expect the fake outs. It's pretty funny. Pays to be diamond-handed. Indeed. Indeed, like 4 years ago, if you diamond-handed from 20,000 down to, what was it, like down to 3,000 in 2018, and just kept buying more during that time, and diamond-handed it all the way up to 69K, you made a ton of money, and even still, you'd still be up. We're at 17,000. You're still way up if you diamond-handed. Mostly 15K. Are you saying Bitcoin's going to 15K? I'd say that's sounds pretty likely right now. But yeah, FTT crashed 72%. Good stuff. And yeah, FTX. I don't know if you guys hold anything on FTX. I actually had thousands of dollars of crypto on FTX, so I was a bit worried, but luckily I got it off in time. So yeah, luckily I moved all my crypto off FTX before before it's too late. So did you guys have any crypto on FTX? Were you able to get it off, or do you still have it on there? Pretty insane. I didn't expect FTX would actually go bankrupt. I mean, they're like the number 2 exchange. I felt pretty confident holding crypto on FTX. Number 2 exchange. And yeah, didn't expect them to go bankrupt. But I guess Sam Bankman-Fried is a shady guy, turns out. And yeah, I guess FTX and FTT was kind of a Ponzi. So going to be interesting seeing all the details on what was going on with FTX over the next few days, finding out all that. But yeah, hopefully if you guys held crypto on FTX, you got it off. Yeah, I was talking about it a few days ago in videos that FTX may go bankrupt. I didn't think it would, but yeah, hopefully you guys took the safe path and just moved your crypto off. But yeah, let's see. Will we go lower tonight? What do you guys think? Last couple hours we fell pretty hard, but stabilizing a bit. All right, let's look at the top losers. This is a little bit old. Let me refresh it. All right, top losers are the top 100 coins here. So we've got FTT, of course, number 1, down 72%. Are you guys buying FTT? I don't know. Sounds pretty risky to buy it. Could go to 0. Who knows? Solana, sadly down 33%. Kind of sad because I actually hold a decent amount of Solana, so that's a bummer, but oh well, hopefully it comes back. And then, I mean, at this point, after being in a bear market for a year, I'm pretty numb to like seeing losses in my portfolio. Like, I don't even really check my portfolio anymore because it's just red every day for like a year. So no point in even looking at it. It's just sad to look at. So like I don't even know exactly how much down my portfolio is from a year ago. Don't really care. I'm just in the mindset of just accumulating more crypto right now while we have these insane opportunities to accumulate at rock bottom prices. But yeah, so like I'm like numb to seeing losses in the portfolio. It's like, who cares? We're already down so much. It's almost at this point it's like, good, go down more. Just keep going down more so I can just accumulate more. All right. So then Lido DAO. Don't know anything about that. Down 29%. Aptos 27. Chainlink down 23%. Chiliz. Near Terra Classic down 21%. Oof. Axie Infinity, Polygon. Some under $1. Good time to buy some Polygon, boys. Good time to buy some Chainlink. Everything is super cheap right now. Algorand down big. Ethereum down 18%. Crazy. Ethereum went from like 1,700 down to 1,200. So yeah, I'm considering. I mean, I'm gonna buy some Ethereum. I'm just waiting because I think it may go a bit lower. We may see under $1,000 again. So if it gets under 1,000, yeah, I'm buying some Ethereum for sure. We've got Loopring, Stacks, The Graph, Sandbox, Chronos, way down. Phantom, Aave, Synthetics, Thorchain, Dogecoin back down to 8 cents. Zcash, Filecoin. So yeah, pretty much everything is super cheap right now. So whatever crypto you are eyeballing, you can buy it. Now you might want to wait a bit because the market may dump further. So if you have FOMO, you think it's gonna pump, maybe just buy a little bit and then wait to buy the rest because yeah, I think good chance it could go lower. Solana was big on FTX exchange. Yeah, that's basically why Solana's dumping so hard, because it was like, maybe you guys know, I don't exactly know how, but apparently it was tied to FTX in a big way, kind of. So yeah, that's why Solana is dumping pretty hard. Chiliz and Algorand could be good to acquire as going to be used throughout the football World Cup. Interesting. So Chiliz, I believe, is for, it does like betting and stuff with sports betting. But I don't know how Algorand is related. But yeah, Chiliz. I mean, I hold Chiliz and Algorand, so hopefully they do well in the next few years. All right, let's check back. Terra Classic at 17 right now. Are you guys buying more? I'm still waiting. I'm not buying anything yet. All right, so crypto seems to be Bitcoin stabilizing a bit at 17,600. So that was the bottom of our last dump. So maybe we're going to have support here at 17,600. If we can hold this level, we might have a chance of bouncing back up. If we break below this, then yeah, we're probably going to just keep heading down. Zoom out on the daily. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see back here, 17,600 was the bottom of this huge dump back in June. That's where we're at right now. So maybe we'll have some support there and bounce back up. But yeah, if this daily candle closes below this level, probably going to keep dumping. But yeah, haven't streamed in a while, so wanted to stream again. Some of you guys were asking past few days for me to live stream, so here you go. Fifth Survivor, are you watching? Because you kept commenting, go live, go live. So Finally went live. Sadly, it's not during the middle of the intense dump we saw like yesterday, but we're still dumping. So crazy. And wanting to buy more Luna Classic, but also waiting a bit to see if it goes down some more. Yeah, same. I'm just waiting right now. Like too dangerous to buy right now. Could high chance we could dump lower. But yeah, what do you guys think of Sam Bankman-Fried? Do you think he's gonna get arrested? Oh man, crazy stuff. I don't know how much you guys know about that situation, but it's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Let's check the 1 minute. What time frame do you want to be on? 1 minute? Check it out for a bit. Yeah, stabilizing a bit around this level. A few hours ago, we were dumping pretty hard. But yeah, I guess we all lost thousands of dollars in the past day or so. Unrealized losses, though. It's not a loss unless you sold, so it's just unrealized. But yeah, it's crazy. I thought when CZ announced they were buying FTX, I thought, oh, okay, so they saved the day. The market's not going to dump now. And we did see a little pump, but then the market just dumped super hard right after that. So that was weird. I was like, why is it dumping? What the heck? Guess it didn't matter. What's up, Clayton? Bought a bit more Luna Classic last night. Let's see what happens later today. Nice. Yeah, it went down like crazy from 22 to 13. Did you guys get it at like 14 or so? That's pretty cheap. If it goes back up to 60, be some big gains. I mean, even gets back to 30, you double your money. Pretty crazy. What? Morning, Clay. Good morning, Clayton. Morning, Clay. We got two Clays. What are your thoughts on Crow, Clay? Crypto.com coin. I think it'll do well. I think it'll do well in the next few years. Assuming Crypto.com doesn't go bankrupt too. You never know, but yeah, I'm bullish on it. And I hold quite a bit of Crow, so obviously I'm bullish. So yeah, hopefully they do well. All right, so Bitcoin starting to pump back up a little bit here on the 1 minute. So, where are all you guys from? I am in Arizona right now. And it's about 5 a.m. I didn't get up early. I actually just stayed up super late. Well, actually, I woke up at like 6 p.m. So my sleep schedule is like super weird right now. So that's why I'm up at 5 a.m. Fake pump. Yeah, I agree, Babu. Fake pump for Bitcoin. So, yeah, most likely gonna keep heading down over the next few days. So, are you guys all from the UK? Because it's like what, noon in the UK right now? So you guys are probably all in Europe because that's like where it's day right now. London. D'Artagnan, you're from London. Nice. London, UK. Clayton from Canada, 7 a.m. Eastern Canada. Nice. Nice. How do you like Canada? Probably cold there right now, huh? I'm in Arizona and it's like getting down to like 20 degrees. Sheesh. Canada must be cold. I guess 15K is bottom. That's a pretty good guess. So I was saying if we broke the support at 19,000, I was saying we'd probably dump down to 16K. That was my guess. So far, we've gone to 16.8K, so we'll see. I was predicting 16K if we broke our support. We'll see what happens. You're saying 15K. Very well could be. Everyone's saying 13K. Maybe that'll happen, but yeah, I actually hope 13K happens, but I don't know if we'll be that lucky. Dubai, UAE. Mohammed from Dubai. Nice. How's Dubai? I hear that's a pretty sweet place. Babu from India, 6 p.m. Nice. Nice. How's India? Yes, sir. Noon in London. Nice. So yeah, Bitcoin apparently is at a 2-year low. It hasn't been this low in 2 years. Let's see, what's 2 years ago? So that'd be, get rid of this. That'd be right about here. Yeah, wow. 2 years ago, we were at about 15K. So, wait a second. Or maybe, I don't know. We're between like 15K and 19K, somewhere in there. So, yeah, I guess actually we got up to 19K. So 2 years ago we were at 19K. Now we're at 17K. Bitcoin's going backwards. We haven't been this low in 2 years. Sheesh. What do you guys think about that? Crazy. But yeah, probably going to head lower here in the next few days, maybe even next 2 weeks. Like we saw here when we went sideways for a bit, and then we had this one, we dumped down this one weekly candle. But then the next week, we had an even bigger red weekly candle. So that might happen again. We might have, we might go down to like 16K this week. And then next week, we might go all the way down to like 12K. That'd be down here. That'd be crazy. 12K. Do you guys think we're going to 12K? A lot of people think so. 10K maybe? I don't know about 10K. I definitely don't think we're going under 10K. Do you imagine how many people would be buying at 10K? So many. It's funny though, Bitcoin dumped super hard today, but look at S&P 500 is actually up today. So I guess not so correlated. Not always. Thing is, if you believe and know Bitcoin is going to get back up to those all-time high and beyond, then makes perfect sense to acquire and hold. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So people who are really educated on Bitcoin and understand it, they see its value and they know it's not going to go away, and it will eventually go back to all-time high. I mean, if you know how money works, then you know Bitcoin will eventually get back to all-time highs. So it's just like, oh, sweet. It goes lower. Great. We get to accumulate more and then make way more money. So like going from 69K down to 17,000, that's a huge blessing. Now we have a second. Like if you missed if you missed 2018, 19, 20, this is a huge blessing because now we have a second chance to accumulate a ton of Bitcoin at these super cheap prices. So pretty amazing, actually. And yeah, if you understand money, Bitcoin's not going away. It's definitely going back to all-time highs again. And Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin will eventually reach infinity in US dollars, because dollars will for sure go to zero eventually. So if dollars go to zero, then Bitcoin's at infinity. So long-term price target is infinity for Bitcoin. That's the funny part. You definitely don't want to be holding dollars long-term because they're going to zero, guaranteed. Every fiat currency has gone to zero eventually. It's only a matter of time. And DCA, if keeps going lower. Yeah, exactly. Like I've just been dollar cost averaging at 19,000 this whole time pretty much. And now it's gone lower, so sweet. I'll just keep dollar cost averaging, and like I've kept more money set aside because I figured high chance we could have one more dump near the end of the year. And yeah, here we go. So yeah, just keep dollar cost averaging over the next couple years. You'll make insane gains as we get back up to all-time highs. If it goes back to 69K, Luna Classic will also go up. Yeah, true. So once crypto goes back into a bull market, then it's going to be great. Everything can start pumping again, and very likely Terra Classic will go right up with the crypto market because it's all correlated. All-time high when all institutions and retails pour their money on Bitcoin. Yes. Yeah, just like we saw back in 2021. Everybody just going crazy. So yeah, it's probably going to be a few years till we see an all-time high again. We might reach 69,000 in like 2024, in like 2 years. And then the next peak of the next bull market probably be 2025, but we'll see. We'll see. I think at least next year, crypto is going to start going back up again. We may, we probably won't. We might reach 69,000 next year, but I'd say more likely we won't go high that fast. But yeah, I think next year we'll at least be starting to head back up. Go to 30,000, maybe even like 50,000. We'll see. Will all the cryptos go back up? I'm almost broke. I'm started out, bro. I feel you, man. Everybody in crypto is feeling pretty broke right now. It's like about a year ago, we were all just like, woo. Our portfolios were looking beautiful a year ago, and now we're all feeling pretty broke. It's pretty funny. A lot of these big crypto guys that were like had like billions or like hundreds of millions, and now they're down like 70%. And they're like, yeah, it's pretty sad. They've lost huge net worth, but hey, it's all part of the journey, and it's only temporary. It'll head back up, and then, in a few years, your portfolio will be even bigger than it was a year ago. So, yeah, we're all feeling pretty broke right now, but this is just the preparation for our next bull market. I mean, if you're still paying attention to crypto right now, congrats. That means you're going to be making a lot of money in the next few years. Everybody who gave up on crypto over the past year, they're not buying right now, and so that means they're going to miss the next bull market. They're not going to get in at the bottom of the market and ride it all the way up. And the people who gave up, they probably won't get back into crypto till we're back near all-time highs again, and then they'll be like, oh no, and FOMO in, and then, just get wrecked again. So when everybody's super excited, that's when you want to be selling, actually. And when everybody's giving up on crypto and nobody wants to buy it, everybody's super bored of it, it's depressing, that's when you actually want to be accumulating. So right now is the accumulation phase. That's what we've been at since like June. We'll probably go a bit lower here in the short term so we can just accumulate more, and then over the next few years make some serious gains. So yeah, this year's been a lot of bad times for crypto, but good times are coming. Next few years we will have a lot of good times. So if you're feeling broke right now, don't worry about it. In a few years you're going to have way more money than even you did last year. So you're going to feel pretty good in a few years. Going to take patience though. 7K, 12K bottom, says Young Alchemy. Whew. 7K. I hope we go to 7K. That would be way down here. We haven't seen 7K since, get rid of this. 7K was, let's see, we haven't seen 7K since April of 2020. That's almost 3 years ago. That'd be crazy. I hope we go to 7K, because if Bitcoin's 7K, you can buy a whole Bitcoin for $7,000. It'd be so easy to buy a whole Bitcoin. You just sell some stuff, bam, you got a whole Bitcoin. Watch, bro, I'm telling you. I hope you're right. That'd be crazy. I disagree. I don't think we're going to 7K, but fingers crossed, guys. That'd be amazing. Because, I mean, the lower everything goes, the bigger the opportunity. So at this point, it's just like, go lower, please. Will USDC repeg in Q1 2023? I have no idea. If it does, that'd be amazing. If they can repeg USDC in a safe way, then that actually could cause Terra Luna Classic to have another huge pump like this. Yeah, so, I mean, if that happens, maybe we'll get up to 1/10 of a cent or something. Maybe even higher. But yeah, that'd be sweet. But who knows? No idea if it's going to get repegged or not. No idea. I think USDC, it was at like 4 cents, but I think it dropped down to like 2 cents, 2 or 3 cents now. So if it goes to $1, then that'd be some huge gains for USDC especially. 2 cents to $1, that'd be a 50x. But yeah, no idea if that's going to happen. But yeah, 7K bottom. That'd be pretty sweet. I think, man, worst case scenario, I'd say, I mean, who knows? 7K is possible, but getting under 10,000 would be crazy. I would imagine there'd be huge buying pressure at 10,000. But yeah, who knows? I mean, everybody thought there'd be huge buying pressure at 20,000. Not really. It just went right through all the way to 17,600. So maybe you're right. Maybe it'll go to 7K. I think if it goes to 7K, I'm going to sell everything I own and just buy Bitcoin. What about you guys? It's like, how could you pass that up? If it goes to 7K and it goes back to its all-time high, that's a 10x right there. And I don't know about you, but I definitely think we're going to be going back at least to our all-time high within the next few years. So that's some easy money. But yeah, everybody's been saying for a while, the macroeconomics are the worst we've ever seen. This is going to be the mother of all crashes. And I'm just like, sweet, let's do it. Because the bigger the crash, the bigger the opportunity. They said in their roadmap. Okay, so in Terra Rebel's roadmap, they're saying USDC repeg in Q1 of 2023. Now that you mention it, I think I do remember seeing that actually. But yeah, I mean, I guess that's their plan. Who knows if they'll actually deliver on that. Usually things take a bit longer than people say, but who knows? I mean, even if they don't repeg it, them just saying we're going to repeg it on a certain day and people anticipating that can still cause a pump. So, you know, a lot of times in crypto, you don't actually have to deliver anything. All you have to do is make big promises, and then that can pump the price. So that's why you buy the rumor and you sell the news. Risky to keep all money on one coin. Yes, definitely is. Especially if it's FTT. Finally found a person who talks slow enough for me to understand. Thank you, brother. I'm staying subscribed to you. Thanks, Bob. Do I talk slow? Well, I'm glad I talk the right speed that you like. And thanks for subscribing. Appreciate it. If any of you guys aren't subscribed, feel free to subscribe, like the stream, share it, whatever. But yeah, feel free to subscribe. I post pretty much every day, so yeah, I'd appreciate that. Actually, we're almost at 2,000 subscribers. We're like super close. We're at 1.99K, so maybe you can be the 2,000th subscriber. But I don't know. Maybe all you guys are already subscribed. Good chance you're already all subscribed. I don't know. Oh, Bitcoin actually going up a bit. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Ah, yes. Look at this. Let's go on the 1 hour. All right, couple green candles. But we may just go up to like 18,100, I would say. Good chance we'll hit 18,100 and then continue the downtrend, because look at this resistance there. But yeah, a little uptrend right now. So yeah, I mean, opening a short at 18,100 may be a good point. You know, if we get rejected there, of course. If we hit 18,100, start to get rejected, could be a good short opportunity. But I mean, of course, shorting is super risky when the market's super volatile like this. So I'm not recommending shorting. Good chance you could get liquidated, but yeah, I think we're gonna keep heading down here after this little relief bounce here. You don't really talk slow. Everybody else just talks real fast. All right, good. I probably talk faster in my videos, like my 5-minute videos, because yeah, I'm probably talking slower right now. I don't know if you just subscribed or you've watched all my videos, but yeah, usually I try to talk at least somewhat fast in my videos, because I actually prefer a little bit faster talkers. Thoughts on CPI? We'll see. CPI comes out Thursday, right? Which is today. No, it's Wednesday. Don't even know what day it is. Tomorrow. Man, I have no idea. what the CPI is going to be. Probably going to be higher inflation, or like probably going to be about the same as last time. What's up, Resonance Kinetics? Resonance Kinetics, the number one first person to join, become a member on the channel. What's up? Glad you made it to the live stream. I see your membership badge has just upgraded again. Nice. What's up, bro? What do you think of this? What do you think of this huge dump we've been seeing? Look at this. Went from 21,000 down to the bottom, 16.8 thousand. And we're still down at 17.8 thousand. So crazy, man. Proud to be a member. I appreciate you. But yeah, FTT down 71%. Crazy stuff. I don't know if you guys held crypto on FTX. Hopefully you didn't. If you did, hopefully you moved it off before withdrawals got halted. I had thousands of dollars on there. Luckily, I got it all moved off. So luckily I didn't lose any funds, but yeah, crazy times. Look at this. Boom. FTT. Is FTT going to zero? Very well could. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Terra Classic dumping with the whole market. I mean, every single crypto dumped hard. So, pretty crazy. All right. Bitcoin on the 1 minute has a little uptrend. It was bound to happen, but CZ is making a point. Yes, so apparently what he said is that Sam Bankman-Fried, the CEO of FTX, was basically lobbying against, lobbying for regulation that would hurt Binance, basically doing things behind Binance's back that would really hurt Binance, maybe even trying to take them down so that FTX could rise to the top. And CZ didn't like that, so, CZ basically just killed FTX. All it took was one tweet and CZ killed FTX. Kind of funny, actually, but so crazy. But yeah, what do you guys think about the CZ killing FTX, basically? What do you guys think about it all? Why exactly do you think CZ did what he did? That could be huge manipulation before huge run up. Yeah, potentially it's like, man, like I suspected we could see this. I suspected we could see one more big dump before we head back up, because like the price just going flat, and I'm sure tons of long positions starting to build up over this time, preparing in case this is the bottom. So, do you think the huge whales and big entities out there are just going to let people ride huge long positions up into our next bull market? No, of course not. They're going to have one more big dump to crush every long position, liquidate anyone in a long position, and then we can head back up. Because there's nothing that the big whales hate more than seeing the common folk make big money on the markets, It's player versus player. So, yeah. Good chance they want to liquidate all the long positions before we see a big run up. So, we'll see. Maybe this will be the last big dump for the bear market. Sam exposure has been there for some time. FTT is another Luna Classic. CZ is out to destroy them. Yeah, actually a lot of people have been saying bad things about Sam for quite a while, and yeah, it looks like it was true. You know, people have been saying he's a really bad guy, so we'll probably find out a lot about exactly what Sam Bankman-Fried's been doing over the next few days. We'll find out a lot. It should be interesting. FTT is another Luna Classic. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it just pretty much went to zero. Went from $22 to $4. Actually went down to like $2.50 in just one day. So yeah, is FTT going to go to zero? Maybe. CZ is out to destroy them. Yeah. Pretty much CZ pretty much killed FTX with one tweet, which is kind of funny actually. All it took was one tweet. CZ goes, "All right, we're going to be selling all our FTD because of revelations that have come to light." And then that's all it took. And then guess what? FTT goes to zero. FTX is dead. So, man, I mean, you know, looks like Sam Bankman-Fried was a pretty bad guy, and also trying to bring in a lot of regulation into crypto, which I'm not a fan of regulation. So I'm pretty glad about all this, but also it's like, man, Binance acquiring FTX. Binance is just becoming so huge. Like, they pretty much have, like, feels like a monopoly over all the other exchanges. Like, they're just massive compared. They pretty much have no competitor is what it feels like right now. So that's what do you guys think about that? Is that concerning? It's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. Binance they're just dominating the crypto market so hard. All right, so Bitcoin starting to dump again. Got back up to about 18,000. Now we're dumping back to 17,600. Here it comes, boys. Here comes the dump to 16K. Did any of you guys watch the dump yesterday where it went down like $4,000 in like a couple hours? That was nuts. That was like, what is happening? FTT went down like 90% in like a few hours. Crazy stuff. All right, looks like we have some new people in the chat. Where are all you guys from? I'm in Arizona. We got some people in the UK, India, Canada. Did I forget someone? Where are the rest of you from? It's like 5 a.m. here. But yeah, a lot of you probably in Europe because it's like middle of the day there. Oh yeah, somebody else is from Dubai. But yes, is it warm in Dubai right now? Because in Arizona, it's actually really cold. It's like 20 degrees at night. It's too cold. Cornwall, England. Cornwall, that's a sweet name for a town. That sounds like colonial times. General Cornwallis. And what's up, Fairgrounds Fun Days? I recognize you from probably the last stream. I'm from my mother. Nice. Very nice. Are you buying FTT token? I actually just a tiny bit, just for fun, just to play with, see what happens. But no, I'm not like buying a significant amount. I wouldn't recommend buying it because it's extremely risky. It could go to zero. Who knows? I mean, maybe it'll suddenly get saved or something. Maybe it'll pump back up, but yeah, way too risky in my opinion. I would not buy it. But yeah, I did buy a teeny bit just for fun. See what happens. Did any of you guys buy FTT? Pennsylvania. Nice. Very nice. I've never been to Pennsylvania. Nope. Somalia. Very nice. Never been to Somalia either. What is Somalia like? Actually, I used to live in Wisconsin, pretty close to Minneapolis, Minnesota, and a lot of people from Somalia live in Minneapolis, actually. But yeah, no idea what Somalia is actually like. I don't even know if I could find it on the map. Sadly. FTT 2.0. Yeah. Time to roll out FTT Classic. Or wait, no. Yeah, FTT 2.0. And FTT will turn into FTT Classic then. Okay, yeah, that's a good plan, guys. And then we'll start burning FTT Classic. That'd be pretty hot. Just, I mean, that'd be great. Just do the same thing and make some more big gains. Terra Classic gave us huge gains. Let's do it again. That'd be hilarious. FTT 2.0. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen to FTT. So Binance is buying FTX. So are they going to keep FTT? If they did keep it, then I guess you could say it's going to come back. In which case it would be good to buy right now. But if Binance is buying they're buying FTX, and are they going to just get rid of FTT? In which case it would go to zero. And yeah, like, I don't know. Maybe you guys know. I have no idea what's going to happen to FTT with Binance buying FTX. And also, we don't even know if Binance is buying FTX for sure. They're intending to, but they might find out, they're going to do their due diligence first. They might find out, wow, like FTX is in a huge mess. We don't even want to touch it. And maybe they don't buy it. Who knows? Like, we don't know. Anything could happen right now. Where in Pennsylvania? I will buy FTT Classic. Yeah, I'd probably buy some FTT Classic. Get some more big gains. 1.2% burn for FTT Classic. Exactly. Make some more, make another 10x, just like we did with Terra Classic. That'd be awesome. What if Sam Bankman dumped all his Bitcoin? Could be part of this. Could be part of what is dumping the market. Could be. Supply of 1,000 trillion. So a quadrillion. Exactly. Make it like a Shiba Inu. Total meme coin. That is the recipe for success. Hey Clay, look out for a new coin being released soon. It's called the Joke coin. We have a great following community with the admins in talks with some major companies at the moment. I will keep informed. All right. I'll keep a lookout for Joke coin. Yeah. Good luck with the release. Pretty rough time to be releasing a coin. Depths of the bear market, but yeah, we'll see. The place sucks. Talking about, are you the person from Bob from Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania sucks. That's too bad. Probably especially during the winter, huh? Wait, what? What went down to $4,000, Clay? Huh? What went down to 4,000? I have no idea. Maybe you're talking about Bitcoin last bear market. It went down to like 3,000, I think. Binance focus on BNB instead of FTX. Yeah, that's my hunch too, that if Binance does buy FTX, good chance they might just get rid of FTT, because of course Binance's main focus is BNB. So yeah, in that case, FTT might just go to zero, be dead, because yeah, if they buy FTX, they're just gonna pull everything under Binance, under BNB, most likely. So yeah, I mean, BNB looking pretty bullish right now, with Binance basically just being a god superpower over crypto right now. They have like no competition. They're so huge. They just dominate all the other exchanges. They killed an exchange with a tweet. I mean, FTX is probably going to die anyways. So, but yeah, Binance is looking pretty powerful right now. Cornwall is beautiful. Nice. Cornwall, England. Never been there. Clay will be doing uploads on FTX Classic uploads. Yeah, pretty much. FTT Classic, boys. Get ready. Get ready. Yeah. Binance will abandon FTT, and then, we're just going to have to take it over, rebuild it, start some burns. Where did you buy FTT token, Clay? I bought some on Bybit. I actually like Bybit a lot. They have like everything. It's pretty nice. But yeah, I only bought a teeny bit, and it's probably going to go lower. So I don't recommend it. Luna 1 XLN is a project. Sounds very familiar. Very familiar. Well, Bitcoin tumbling around, bit sideways. Let's zoom out. So yeah, stabilizing a bit around our previous low from June, 17,600, finding a little support there. But yeah, if we can hold 17,600, then that could actually be the bottom for this dump, and we might be able to hold up at these levels. But yeah, if we break 17,600, then we should see this dump just keep going lower. So we'll see. I feel like we're probably going to go lower. But hey, at least something interesting is finally happening for crypto. I mean, check this out. Literally since June, nothing. Crypto has been going sideways since June. That's July, August, September, October, November. 5 months of pretty much nothing happening in crypto. So finally something going on. At least we did have, pretty much the only thing that was going on was Terra Classic. At least we had Terra Classic to entertain us and actually to make some big money. We all made a lot of money over the last few months, like in the top of the pump was September. Yeah, beginning of September. So yeah, at least we had Terra Classic to help us make some money during this bear market. We're gonna beg CZ to implement a 1.2 tax burn on FTX Classic. That'd be so funny. After begging him to implement 1.2% burn on Terra Classic, now we're going to beg him to implement the burn on FTT Classic. That'd be hilarious, man. That'd be funny. That would be great. But yeah, let's look at the top losers again. Top losers out of the top 100 coins. Let's see. Top gainers, nothing. Pax Gold. Gold up 2%. Nice. Top losers, everything. Solana sadly way down too. That's a bummer. I'm holding quite a bit of Solana, so that's a bummer, but hopefully it comes back. Look at this. Chainlink down 22%. You guys buying some Chainlink? Pretty good deal, $6. You guys buying Terra Classic? I'm not buying anything yet. I'm gonna see if it goes see if this dump goes lower. Matic under $1. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Vitalik, a super responsible run polar. He did it with the merge, the verge, the surge, and the splurge. Yeah. Vitalik, it's a reliable guy right there. The merge, the verge, the surge, and the splurge. So far, Ethereum has only done the merge, right? Now, the next we get to do the verge. Is that how it works? What exactly is the verge? The splurge is the splurge sounds like the phase I wanna get to. Sounds pretty nice. What's the verge though? Can you explain that? Let's go in the 1 minute. All right, Bitcoin holding steady right now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Which is sharding is the verge. Okay, the verge is sharding. Nice, nice. Yeah, Ethereum looking pretty bullish over the next few years. Man, what are your guys' price predictions for Ethereum? Whew, it could go to like, man, the peak, what did it get up to last year? Like 5,000, somewhere around there. So this bull run, maybe Ethereum will go to like 20,000. What do you guys think? I mean, it's deflationary now. That's pretty crazy. Ethereum looking pretty strong. BNB though. Binance is huge. When they said ETH will pass Bitcoin, they didn't say the time frame. Do you guys think ETH will pass Bitcoin in market cap? I don't know. I don't think it will, but who knows? It's just, ETH, it's like, even though ETH is pretty much dominating its niche, ETH does have competitors. Like, there's Solana, Cardano, plenty of other networks that can compete with Ethereum. Ethereum is way ahead right now, but yeah, it does have competitors. Whereas Bitcoin, nothing competes with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the digital gold, and there is no other crypto that is a digital gold like Bitcoin. So for that reason, I just think nothing is going to ever pass Bitcoin, but who knows? Who knows? I mean, I guess it's possible because, that doesn't necessarily mean that everybody's going to, more money is going to go into Bitcoin than Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum could pass it. Who knows? It's like, yeah, Bitcoin is where you store your value, but then Ethereum, it's a whole different use case. So yeah, who knows? Maybe it will pass it. I have no idea. Either way, they're both going to do amazing. It will take 4 years. Maybe BNB in 2030. Man, BNB in 2030, what will that price be? Like 10,000? ETH layer 2 will be complete in 4 years. Nice. Surely if CZ has taken over FTX, he will be considered the FTT token holders. I have no idea. Maybe he is an FTT token holder. Like they were holding what, $500 million of FTT or something. So yeah, maybe for that reason he wants to keep FTT around, because if it goes to zero and he hasn't sold yet, then they lose like 500 million. So who knows? The Merge, The Verge, etc. Crypto.com will be the number 2 exchange soon. Yeah, I guess so. Now that FTX is dead, I guess, is that bullish for Crypto.com coin? CRO? Maybe. Yeah, I guess they might be the number 2 exchange. Them or Coinbase, maybe. And we'll see. Hopefully no more exchanges die. So, what price do you think Bitcoin will go to in the next bull market? I'm going to say like 200,000. What do you guys think? Many have died. Yeah, for real. So what? FTX died. Voyager died. Celsius died. BlockFi. Did BlockFi die? I feel like they died too. Or did they get bought out before they died? Didn't FTX buy BlockFi? In which case, maybe they're dead now. Didn't FTX buy BlockFi and Voyager and maybe Celsius? I just remember FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, was like bailing out or just like buying up all the dying crypto companies. But now they died. And now Binance is scooping them up. Crazy stuff, bro. Crazy. Come on, Bitcoin. Crash. Just get it over with. Just go down to 13K already. Yes, Sam Bankman was causing them to die. To buy them. Interesting. So Sam Bankman was basically killing these companies so that he could buy them for dirt cheap. Nice. Guess it didn't work out in the end. Even Robinhood has done the same. Yeah. Sheesh. People in financial markets seem to be powerful. People in financial markets seem to be extremely dirty. Like it's pretty ruthless out there. It's the Wild West. I think XRP is going to be huge once the SEC case is done. Yeah. Once that case is done, XRP should be popping off. The case that never ends. All the exchanges do it. Yeah, I guess so. It's a dog-eat-dog world out there. Ooh, look at this nice little pump for Bitcoin. Nice. We're heading back to 20K, boys. XRP is not going to win. Really? Oh, Bitcoin's pumping. 18,000. Hard rejection. Oof. Quick pump to 18,000 and now we are dumping hard. Look at this huge dump. Holy cow. It's dumping hard. Oh, there it goes. All right, we got rejected hard off 18,000. We're heading back down, boys. I was waiting for some good news for crypto during the US elections, but damn. Yeah, it's a bummer. Yeah, so apparently yesterday was a full moon, a lunar eclipse actually, which crazy things tend to happen on lunar eclipses. So yeah, it did turn out to be a crazy day, at least for crypto. The head of SEC won't let XRP win. Huh. If XRP loses, that'd be a bummer. That'd be interesting. If they don't, it will be a corrupt result. Everything is making Gensler look ridiculous and not understanding XRP potential. Yeah, man. Who knows? It's going to be interesting. So, XRP is a pretty mysterious case. Time for work. Talk to you later. Thank you. See you later, Bob. Have a good day at work. Thanks for joining the live stream. Appreciate it. All right, well, Bitcoin's dumping back. We'll see, I think. Let's zoom back out. Yeah, I think we're going to just keep dumping over the next few days, but we'll see. Bitcoin to 500K. That'd be sweet. 500K next bull run. 500K in 3 years. Could be. That'd be pretty sweet. That'd be pretty sweet. Well, this should be super interesting to see what the crypto market does over the next few days, what we find out about the whole FTX scenario. But yeah, it looks like we actually could dump all the way down to like 13,000, 12,000 over the next week or two. So yeah, we'll see if this weekly candle closes below 19,000, which the candle will close in 4.5 days. If it closes below 19,000, yeah, I think we're going to see a big dump. But we'll see. Be ready to grab at 7K to 12K, says Young Alchemy. I'm ready. I'm ready for that 7K. Please go to 7K because I've got a whole pile of cash waiting to buy some serious Bitcoin at 7K. In fact, if we go to 7K, I will sell literally everything I own to buy Bitcoin. And the judge at the moment sees through the SEC case. Clay, can you look at Luna 1? All right. I'll look real quick at Luna 1. All right. Luna 1. On what? CoinMarketCap? Oops. There it is. Smart man. Yes. Bitcoin goes to 7K. Everybody sell everything you own and buy Bitcoin. Where am I? This is not CoinMarketCap. Oh, wait. I guess it is. Oh, their website. All right. What is Luna 1? Society decentralized. All right, so we got this Death Star. Nice. Explore new worlds in the Luna 1 metaverse. Your new virtual place to connect, play, live, shop, work, study, and attend special events. All right, so it's a metaverse. Nice. Nice. All right. Gaming. Buy, sell, and build on your property. All right. Luna 1 is pioneering a hyper-realistic metaverse. It is a hub for your digital self to live, interact, and flourish in a decentralized society. Blah, blah, blah. Nice. So it's a metaverse. Got it. 25 million. 45,000 registration. One of the most decentralized metaverse projects to ever exist. Hyper-realistic open-world metaverse. Okay. VR, AR, complete 3D 360-degree immersive experience. All right. What is your about BitGert coin? BitGert. Sorry, buddy. I don't really know anything about BitGert. So, not going to pretend I know about BitGert. I don't know much about BitGert. But maybe I could check BitGert out real quick too. All right, so we got gaming, play to earn, social arcade, shopping, events, workplace, real estate. Okay. All right, so basically what I'm getting here is, all right, we got some people supporting it. All right, roadmap, nice. All right, let's see what's coming up. Coin distribution ends, concept art, NFTs. Oh, that was quarter 3. Quarter 4. So it's about to be listed on exchanges. Metaverse goes live. NFT marketplace, real estate. All right, so basically it's releasing this quarter. Nice. Kind of a rough time to be releasing at the bottom of a bear market, but hopefully this, good luck to them. All right. Well, looks pretty cool. Have to check it out later. All right. Now, it's going to be on Xbox and PlayStation also. Well, that's pretty sweet. All right, let's look at BitGert real quick. BitGert. BitGert. Rank 219, market cap 160,000. All-time high. Okay, so it's like a meme coin. Price 0.000004. So the supply is 395 trillion. Max supply 1 quadrillion. All right, nice. All right, so what is it? BitGert is a crypto engineering project, specializes in blockchain products, auditing solutions. Initially, BitGert was built on BNB chain. All right, interesting. So, yeah, I don't know anything about this. Who knows if it'll come back or not? Let's see. The price has so many zeros, like I'm not even sure how much it's gone down, but yeah, I mean, small coins like this are pretty risky in bear markets because they may never come back, but if it does come back, it could have some nice gains. So we'll see. We'll see. Yes, I got in at pre-distribution. I'm up to $5,000 in Luna One. Dang, nice. Pre-distribution. So you got in early. Sweet. Well, I hope Luna One does super well so you can make a lot of money off that. That'd be awesome. That would be sweet. I'll have to keep an eye on Luna One, see how it does. See how it does. All right. Well, I think, let's see, I've been streaming like, hour and a half? 2 hours maybe? I think I'm probably going to wrap it up, but appreciate all you guys coming on the stream. Like the stream, share it, share the videos. Subscribe if you're new. You guys might all already be subscribed, but if you're not subscribed yet, maybe you can be the 2,000th subscriber. We're at 1.99K, so maybe you can be the 2,000th subscriber. But yeah, I post videos every day, and gonna be super interesting this next week or two. See if this dump continues. If the weekly candle closes below 19,000, then yes, I think we're gonna keep dumping down, maybe all the way to 12K. Somebody's saying 7K. Gonna be interesting, but I'll keep you guys updated. Appreciate all you guys sticking around and watching these videos during this bear market. We made a lot of money on Terra Classic, so that was fun. Big things coming next year for sure. Appreciate you guys so much. Fun hanging out with you guys, and I'll see you guys later. See you with a video tomorrow. All right. See you guys later. Bye-bye.